Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It's actually not morning at all, but it's been crazy. Sister show, that's right, Noah Screaming Sister Show. Ash and I are filming the final episode of the Sister Show. I've seen some comments of you guys asking about it, thinking that we stopped doing it. We didn't, we just moved it to its own channel. I talked about it a few times, but unless you watch every single video, then you probably missed it. But we did move the Sister Show to its own channel. So it's always linked down below in the description box. I'll link it again if you want to go check it out. And also people saying they didn't know I had a personal channel. I also have a personal channel. I will leave that linked down below as well. It's a mishmash of whatever I want. That's what that channel is. This one's a little more family focused with its content. That's a little more just like whatever's in Angie's head kind of channel. I see you. Rosie's been drawing people. Whoops, that's a blank one. Rosie's been drawing me and CR and Aunt Ashley. It's beautiful, lovely. I'm wearing my big old teddy bear coat because I'm freezing my tchotchkes off. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, 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 ding-ding-ding-ding. You playing? Ichirella, you need to get down. We put the ottoman there to keep the babies from going behind the chair and messing with that lamp, but now they just use it to climb all over the chair. Two little monkeys jumping onto bed. Oh, I said there's a little monkey. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, 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 ding-a-ling-a-ling. Anytime she thinks that there's music. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Sierra and I were discussing how funny it would be if we did a video where we just like videotaped the babies playing and then we did a voiceover as if we were giving them a voice. Are you patting me on the back? Are you patting me on the back? Say good mama. Oh, good mama. Oh, now you gotta climb me. Oh, you're gonna climb me like a mountain goat. She's gonna climb me like a mountain goat. All right, it's time to go upstairs. I have so much, ouch. Okay, that's my hair. How? Hi, is it your turn now? You saw her come over and pull my hair and now you need your turn? Okay, boo-boo. Okay, boo-boo. Boo-boo. There goes Cheech. Anyways, the point that I'm trying to make, if I can ever get to it, is that we are in the process of organizing everything upstairs, the kids' clothes, dressers, all like getting all that stuff sorted out. It's weird because I feel like I'm like nesting, you know, like I just have this like intense desire for everything upstairs to get cleaned out and organized. I ordered a bunch of like storage bins and things like that so I can do more organizing and stuff upstairs. I don't know what's gotten into me or why. Like it's like pregnancy nesting, you know, where you just like want everything to be perfectly in order and have its place. What are you doing? Anyways, yeah, so I just want everything like organized and in its place and cleaned out and all of that. Maybe it's the start of the year. Maybe that's what's doing it to me. I don't know, but I need to go get that stuff going.
Mom, I'll fry. What? Fried chicken.
I like your purse.
Did you? And then I want to do anything.
You trying to grab the camera?
And then, Dad, what you say? Do kiss me. Kiss me. No. And then I want to baby, come meet me. Stop. And then
all right, let's get to cleaning. You're calling me?
Ballet.
Okay. Rosemary. She just hit him with her purse like an old lady. Rosemary, don't hit your brother, okay? Don't hit, okay? Well, it doesn't mean you can hit him with your purse. You're not 90. When you're 90, you can hit him with your purse. But you're only 7. What? Never. Okay, so the kids are gonna draw names and that's how we have them do presents for each other. So they're gonna draw names and we're gonna take them shopping to get their gifts for each other. We've got some gifts for the kids to get, some gifts for a foster family to get, and then, fun fact, I love lemon heads. Okay, they almost spilled. All right, they did spill.
Your electric blanket is plugged in too.
Ooh, my electric blanket. Y'all, my car blanket. It plugs into the, what's that like the
Lighter.
the lighter thing in the car, and then it's like an electric blanket that keeps you warm, but it's not cold today, so it's actually like in the 50s or 60s, so I'm gonna unplug it. I'm not gonna use it today, but when it's really chilly, that blanket is really nice.
All right, are you guys ready to choose names?
Yes.
You will pick a name. You do not tell anybody who you have.
Hey, don't tell
You can't say, but if you get your own name, then you gotta put it back in the hat.
Okay, Kennedy, go ahead and go first. You got it?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, good. Just pick one, you choosy McGee.
I already
I think honestly, babe, what matters more than, I don't think them knowing who had each other matters. I think what matters is the person who's receiving the gift isn't with the other person that's buying it for them.
Okay, that makes sense.
Know what I mean?
Okay.
So let's just split up that way.
Okay, all right. How about I take this buggy and you take those two? Deal?
Okay.
How does that sound? Guys?
Oh, that doesn't work.
Okay, so how about Noah and Kennedy?
Okay.
Me and Jonah. Okay,
Boom.
good.
Go with Mom. We got it. We got this. All right. Talk to me. Talk to me. What are you guys thinking here? So you know who you have.
Yes, and I know exactly. And Kennedy, I know exactly what
Who'd you
Kennedy
get?
likes. Kennedy, and I know
You had
exactly
Kennedy?
what she likes. So this is an easy one.
Okay, so well, should we tackle yours first, and then you can help me with
Yeah.
these two right here?
Yep. Let's go.
All right, lead the way. Rosie, I think I found something that Noah would like.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You think that'd be a good one for Noah?
Yeah, I like him. So
Would you like to get him that?
yeah.
Okay, sounds like a plan. I like it.
I like him. So.
Yeah.
You're gonna. Oh, but yeah. Honey.
That looks scary.
Honey.
My lord.
Oh, these are hilarious.
How horrifying.
Honey.
What do you think about that?
Hey guys.
All right, did you guys get everything you needed?
Mission
Good to go?
Yeah.
Good to go? Yes, yes, yes. You guys are tired already. I mean, shopping is hard. Everyone is hungry. So,
Here's what we're on the mission for. A little girl, she's 3 years old. We need to pick her out a few toys, some pajamas, and what was the last thing?
socks.
Socks. Pajamas, socks, and a few toys for a 3-year-old girl. Can we do it?
Yeah.
Put your 3-year-old girl head on.
Okay, got it.
Should be easy for you. Hey-o.
Go. No, I know. I'm not doing anything. Dad, my food.
I love these.
These are
These are
super cute. Yeah, good pick. We made it home. Target was incredibly busy. That Target's never busy. Well, I shouldn't say never, but you know what I mean. Mama Bear got some cookies, so we're making some cookies right now. It's actually like she dropped everything and immediately ripped open the cookie bag and just started going to town. So she really wants the cookies. But twins are gonna have some lunch, and then the big kids here, Kennedy, Shelby, Noah, Jonah, Rosie, they will all wrap presents. Shelby, you're making like a 3-course meal for them, baby. I appreciate that.
Well, they don't just
They like tomatoes. They like tomatoes.
Yep, that's their favorite.
How was the lunch Shelby made you? Is it good? You got some tomatoes and some cheese and some lunch meat. Chi-Chi, how about you? Yeah? Boop. How's your lunch? Is it super yummy? Is it super yummy? Boop.
Her eyes look so tired.
I know. I don't think she's feeling good.
It's not a long enough nap.
Oh, what you got? You got some toys? What do you got? It's like, here, take this car.
Thank you.
You gotta keep doing your cookie dance. She has her cookies. And her mood got a whole lot better. Go get a cookie from Mom. Go get one. Ooh. Oh, Millie does not like it. She threw it on the ground. Oh, how's your cookie? Ooh, num num. She's gonna go get it back to you. What if she just throws it on the ground?
I think that it's warm.
Oh. How's your cookie, Millie? Is it tasty? Num nums? Yeah? Num nums? Num nums. Yeah, she's got it.
Like a hair hanging from her mouth. Did you see that?
No.
Take a bite.
Or are you gonna pick it apart? That's super good. How's yours? Oh, you got two? Okay. You're just gonna show everybody you have a cookie? Just make laps?
You gotta take a bite.
Num num.
Take a bite. Oh. Not with my knee. The cookie.
Oh wait, don't. You're gonna take your sister's. I see you working. Millie, I have yours right here. Boop. There you go. Oh, hijacked. You're a cookie monster. Here, that's your sister. Here, Mills. There you go. Cookie. Don't you want it? Okay. Alright guys, before we let the little kids, or before we let the kids start wrapping, I've got to wrap a couple of Angie's presents, and then we'll get the show on the road. What are you guys doing? What are you getting into? Huh?
Chloe? Where are you? Stella? Chloe? Come here. Did you find your present? Look at me. Look at me. Look me in the eyes. Did you find your present?
Here's Chloe.
Did you eat your present? Chloe. Did you find your present?
No, she didn't. It was
Did you find your present?
Never.
Now you know what you get on Christmas Day? Nothing. You get nothing. You already found your present and you ate it.
Alright guys, you know, we were gonna finish wrapping presents, but we ran out of tape. So we're gonna have to postpone it until we will continue the wrapping extravaganza tomorrow.
And get more tape, wrapping paper,
Okay.
baby wipes.
Another dog present.
No, they're getting another present. That was it. My mom took my baby alive doll back to the store. They ate their present. They consumed it already. It's done. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Mom.